The 2025 Lamborghini Huracan is a masterpiece of engineering and design, pushing the boundaries of what a supercar can be. As the final iteration of the Huracan before Lamborghini transitions to hybrid and fully electric powertrains, this model embodies the pinnacle of naturally aspirated V10 performance. With striking aesthetics, cutting-edge technology, and an exhilarating driving experience, the 2025 Huracan is set to leave a lasting legacy in the supercar world. At the heart of the 2025 Huracan is its legendary 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10 engine, refined to deliver even greater power and responsiveness. Producing approximately 640 horsepower and 600 Nm of torque, this engine is a symphony of raw power, screaming to an 8,500 revolutions per minute redline. The acceleration is nothing short of breathtaking, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just under 2.9 seconds. The power is sent to either the rear wheels or an advanced all-wheel drive system, depending on the variant, ensuring optimal grip and control in any driving condition. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission provides lightning-fast gear shifts, making every drive an adrenaline-fueled experience. One of the standout features of the 2025 Huracan is its aerodynamic refinements. Lamborghini has pushed the boundaries of airflow dynamics with a more aggressive front splitter, larger side air intakes, and a reworked rear diffuser. The extensive use of carbon fiber and lightweight materials enhances performance and handling. The revised aerodynamics not only improve stability at high speeds but also increase downforce, making the car feel glued to the road, whether on a racetrack or winding mountain roads. Step inside the cabin, and you're immediately immersed in a futuristic and driver-focused environment. The cockpit is a blend of luxury and high-tech innovation, featuring premium Alcantara, carbon fiber trims, and a fully digital instrument cluster. The 2025 model introduces an upgraded infotainment system with a larger touchscreen, enhanced connectivity options, and an intuitive user interface. Lamborghini's latest AI-driven driving assistance features ensure that even at high speeds, the driver has the support needed for an exhilarating yet safe driving experience. Lamborghini has also focused on improving the suspension and chassis dynamics, incorporating adaptive dampers that respond to different driving conditions in real time. The Huracan steering has been fine-tuned for better feedback, ensuring that every turn is sharp and precise. Whether in Strada mode for relaxed cruising, Sport mode for spirited driving, or Casa mode for track-focused aggression, the Huracan adapts effortlessly to the driver's needs. The 2025 Huracan is not just about performance, it's a work of art. The exterior design features sharper lines, a more aggressive stance, and signature Y-shaped LED headlights that give it an unmistakable presence on the road. The exhaust system has been reworked to deliver an even more intoxicating soundtrack, a deep and ferocious roar that echoes Lamborghini's racing heritage. The rear wing, available in select trims, enhances aerodynamics and adds to the car's dramatic visual appeal. Lamborghini has also embraced customization like never before with the Ad Personam program, allowing buyers to tailor their Huracan to their exact preferences. From unique paint colors to bespoke interior materials and finishes, each Huracan can be a reflection of its owner's personality. One of the most exciting aspects of the 2025 Huracan is its limited production run. As Lamborghini prepares for an electrified future, this final Huracan model will be a collector's dream, symbolizing the end of an era for the naturally aspirated V10 engine. With increasing restrictions on emissions and the shift toward hybrid and electric powertrains, this Huracan stands as a tribute to pure, unfiltered combustion engine performance. Driving the 2025 Huracan is an experience that engages all the senses. The instant throttle response, the razor-sharp handling, and the exhilarating top speed of over 200 miles per hour make it a true driver's car. Unlike turbocharged or hybrid-assisted engines, the naturally aspirated V10 delivers power in a linear and exhilarating fashion, creating an emotional connection between car and driver. Every press of the accelerator unleashes a surge of power, accompanied by the unmistakable wail of the engine. Despite its track-focused nature, the Huracan also offers surprising levels of comfort and usability. The latest suspension tuning and adaptive drive modes allow for a smooth ride on city streets, while the improved infotainment system ensures seamless connectivity. Lamborghini has ensured that while the Huracan is a beast on the track, it remains a joy to drive in everyday situations. Safety has not been overlooked, with Lamborghini incorporating advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and emergency braking. While this is a car designed for pure driving pleasure, these features add an extra layer of security, making it a well-rounded supercar for those who want both performance and peace of mind. The 2025 Lamborghini Huracan is more than just a car, it's an emotion, an experience, and a celebration of raw automotive passion. As Lamborghini moves toward a hybrid and electric future, this Huracan serves as a final salute to the glorious naturally aspirated V10 era. For enthusiasts and collectors alike, this car represents a piece of history, a machine that will be remembered for its breathtaking performance, stunning design, and the sheer thrill it delivers behind the wheel. Whether on the track, the open road, or parked as a centerpiece in a collection, the 2025 Huracan is destined to be a legend.